In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Squarespace template. Now, with the latest version of Squarespace, switching templates is a little different than it used to be. Instead of completely changing templates, you have the flexibility to restyle your existing one to achieve a whole new look. This is great because it's much quicker and allows you to keep your existing content intact while playing around with different styles. So let's dive in and get started on this journey of personalization. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Squarespace. Fire up your favorite browser, type in the website address, and log into your account to access the Squarespace platform. Once you're in, there should be an option right there that says Get Started. Click on that and you'll be on your way. After hitting Get Started, you should find yourself being routed to the dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your main hub where you can oversee all your sites and settings. Here, you'll want to select Website. This will lead you directly to the tools you need for site design and customization. Next, it's time to open up Site Styles. This section is really where the magic happens in terms of visual customization. Within Site Styles, you'll have the opportunity to change up all those design elements that define the look and feel of your website. You'll see a variety of options such as themes, fonts, colors, buttons, forms, and a whole lot more. It's like having a toolbox filled with creative possibilities. As you make your way through Site Styles, the journey takes you to something called Site Navigation. Click on this to explore the next layer of customization. A well-designed navigation bar helps guide your visitors seamlessly around your website, so it's really worth spending some time here. Now, let's focus on changing the font. Fonts can have a huge impact on the aesthetic and readability of your site. Click on Style and then choose Custom. This feature allows you to select a new font family, experiment with different weights, styles, and add your unique flair. Once you're happy with how it looks, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. Moving on to size adjustments, if you want to tweak the size of the text, just click on Size. From there, you can select a preset paragraph size or opt to go Custom. If you decide to go Custom, you'll see a handy slider, or you can manually enter a new rem value to get the precise size you're after. As always, make sure to click Save to keep those changes set in stone. That's pretty much it. With these simple steps, you can completely transform your website's aesthetic while keeping your content intact. I hope this guide has been helpful and you're inspired to experiment with these tools in Squarespace. Happy designing!